I sent one prompt, and in under 60 seconds, the system sorted 3 client emails, scheduled the best kickoff window, and spat out a 2-paragraph proposal. I hit approve, and 5 days later, that lead became a retainer. Hey, I'm Marcus Chen. Welcome back to the AI and Future of Work podcast.
Whoa, that opener lands. Wait, did the AI really do everything, or was there a human double check before the proposal went out?
Good question. The flow did classification, suggested scheduling windows, and produced the draft. But we surfaced the draft as proposal for review and a human approved before sending. Human in the loop on billable work. Automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary.
Nice, that balance matters. Okay, tell me, what exactly is this virtual COO you keep mentioning? And why should a Nomad care?
Think of a compact automation layer that owns repeatable ops, so you focus on high-value work. It handles 5 job families: triage, scheduling, draft creation, billing nudges, and outreach plays. It doesn't replace creative strategy. It frees time so you can charge more for the work only you do.
Got it. Portability is key. Nomads need this to run from cheap hosting or no-code platforms, so income moves with them, not the team.
Exactly. Here's the stack I use: an LLM via API, a webhook runner, a single source of truth database, and an automation layer to stitch events together.
Which webhook runner would you pick on a tight budget?
Use Pipedream for speed and pre-built integrations, or a tiny serverless function on Vercel if you want minimal monthly fees. For automations, try N8N over Zapier when you're cost sensitive. Same triggers, lower running cost. And Airtable or Notion makes a great single source of truth, so your state doesn't drift into LLM hallucinations.
Airtable keeps structured fields you can query, which is huge for audits and migrations. Don't let the LLM be your database.
Right. Now, before I read a prompt you can paste, quick framing. I want the model to do 2 things reliably: classify the message and extract a handful of facts we need for next steps. You are an expert client triage assistant for a small remote services business. Given the email text, classify into one of lead, existing client, spam, support. Extract client name, company, budget range of present, desired start date, and urgency, low, medium, high. Return JSON, status, client name, company, budget range, desired start date, urgency, suggested next step. Suggested next step should be one short action: schedule call, send proposal draft, request info, or ignore. Keep answers brief.
Perfect. So the model isn't inventing facts. It's pulling from the email and returning a compact JSON we can write back to Airtable. Quick question. What about edge cases where the budget isn't mentioned?
If budget is missing, return unknown and suggest request info as the next step. Keep the suggested next step machine actionable so downstream automations can run without human guessing.
Curious. Show me how you prompt the model to write a proposal starter without hallucinating client specifics.
Short rationale. Force the model to use only structured fields from the row. Then I read the scaffold slowly. Draft a 2-paragraph proposal for client name at company. Use only these facts: project scope, budget range, timeline. Start with 1-sentence value summary, then a bullet list of 3 deliverables, and finish with a suggested next step: approve and schedule kickoff, or request clarifications. Insert placeholders like client approval required instead of definitive claims. That pattern reduces hallucination drastically.
Nice. I like the placeholder trick. All right, walk me through the practical build. You promised a weekend blueprint. How do listeners actually spend 48 focused hours?
Day 1 morning. Map repeat tasks for 30 minutes. List messages, scheduling steps, billing nudges, outreach touches. Day 1 afternoon. Create an Airtable lead table with key columns and make an inbox filter that forwards candidate messages to a webhook, about 60 minutes. Day 2 morning, wire the webhook to the LLM, deploy the triage prompt, and implement action paths like schedule call or send proposal draft, 90 minutes. Day 2 afternoon, add an approval view in Airtable, write a rollback SOP, and test 5 real emails end-to-end, 30 minutes. That sequence gets you to a minimum viable virtual COO.
That timeline feels achievable. Small nudge, though. When your automation suggests calendar times, many clients resist a cold scheduling link. How do you keep it warm?
Hybrid approach.
Automation proposes two polite windows based on your travel time zone block and says, would either Tuesday 10:11 UTC or Thursday 15:16 UTC work? If neither, reply and we'll handle this manually. That gives speed plus a human fallback, which boosts conversions.
Okay, now the money question. You said automation can double close rates. Doubling sounds optimistic. Show me the concrete math so listeners can judge for themselves.
Sure. Simple example. Baseline, 10 inbound qualified leads per month with a 10% close rate equals one client. At $1,200 per month retainer, that's $1,200. If faster triage and follow-up lift your close rate to 20% from quicker answers and clearer proposals, that's two clients at $2,400. The automation costs might be $100 to $200 a month, so net plus $1,000 margin. One extra retainer covers the stock and pays you to work higher value hours.
Concrete and credible. Still, risks exist. Give me a compact mitigation checklist I can implement today.
Mitigation checklist. 1. Surface billable outputs as drafts requiring human approval. 2. Use verification prompts and cross-check extracted facts against Airtable. 3. Add a daily sync monitor and retry logic for webhook failures so nothing silently drops. 4. Give clients a short onboarding note that explains the human review safety net. Those 4 steps stop most operational failures.
Let's make this actually work for you. Small experiments, clear rollbacks, and human approvals. Quick ask. Give listeners one 20-minute task to feel real progress.
20-minute action. Create an Airtable leads table with columns source, email text, client name, company, budget range, desired start date, urgency, status, suggested next step. Then add one automation. On new rows, call the LLM with the triage prompt and write back status and suggested next step. That single loop turns raw email into prioritized tasks you can batch review weekly. Do that now and you'll feel the system beginning to breathe.
Nice, doable, and immediate. If people want guided help, where should they go?
Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. The course includes the exact stock, copyable prompt templates, a live setup session, and community support, so you can build your virtual COO this weekend. That's your AI blueprint for today.
Remember, the human plus AI advantage is what keeps clients happy while you travel. Start small, validate quickly, and keep the approval gates tight.
Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in the build room. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Until next time, this changes everything for nomads.